How to add contacts on Botim app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add contacts on your Botim app. So let's dive right in. Open up the app, then head over to call at the bottom, and there you can see call with a plus icon. Just tap on it, and then you'll need to give access to your contacts. So go to settings and then give access to contacts. You can give limited access or full access. Now when you tap on the plus icon, your contacts will open up and you can just tap on it and then call and invite them. So that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.